And look, and there's the potential. I'm going to continue to follow this. If it looks like it wants to move further closer to us, I'm going to have to bump up again, maybe when I see you back here at 11. But you go by the data and the information that you're getting currently. And right now the trend is the storm is getting closer to our area as opposed to further out to sea. So first we go over to the weather watchers and see what's being reported here. Temperatures around the area, 30s and 40s. I have a 39 right here. And this comes to me from Anthony in Plainsboro Township. In New York City, a little bit warmer than that, but it was not a balmy day by any means. Let me get you outside. As of right now, there's your picture. Temperature comes in 43 degrees. We have some western flurries in our suburbs out there. I'll point those out to you in just a moment. 43 right now. You were 44. The high temp of the day. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, average is 46, so officially we are below the average. For the high, low, started off at 37 at around 7:30 this morning. That's a little bit warmer than you should be. We typically start off at around 35 degrees. You're waking up tomorrow morning at 32. So now you're below average. Partly sunny to start off. You're going to see more clouds in your sky tomorrow. 20s in the suburbs north and west of the city. And then in the afternoon hours, 41 degrees. It's mostly cloudy. It's cold. Kind of setting the table for that snow chance. And the snow chance is going to be for the weekend. That weekend snow is looking more and more likely. Specifically, I'm talking Saturday. At one point, we thought maybe there were two different little systems. It's really just one now. And it's a Saturday system, Saturday day into Saturday night. Accumulations are not huge, but like KJ was just saying, I had to bump them up. So I actually have a snowfall projection map, which I'll show you. The final numbers are going to depend on the track of the storm. Right now, as I said to you, it's moving closer to us, so the numbers went up. If it moves even closer, or even maybe over our shores, I bump the numbers up further. But if it goes further out to sea, I'm going to put them down again. As of right now, I want you to focus on this white, which is really meant to represent the bulk of the area. A coating to 2. Along the shore, you could have some mixing, some sleet and maybe even some rain mixed in there because the water temperature is still pretty mild. Okay, for a winter storm, water temperature is 50 degrees, so that could affect the shoreline communities. But if it overwhelms it, the potential for a coating to 2 for the bulk of the area, with some spots seeing a 2 to 4. And if that track moves further to the west, that blue gets stretched over a bigger portion of the area. Let's take a look at what we've got out there right now. There are those western flurries. They're not going to hold themselves together. That's not a situation for any accumulation. This is a definite situation for accumulations. Now, you've got the cold air in place. The low pressure system, as of yesterday, was tracking out to sea, maybe just skimming our area. Now that track has brought it closer to shore. It's not going over the area, but it's closer, so that you can take a peek here on the Futurecast. Put it into motion, you're going to find, more clouds for your Friday. And here comes some snowy weather. And this is Saturday, 3 p.m. You'll deal with it into Saturday night. By Sunday, it is out of here. So let's get right to your numbers. For tomorrow, 41 degrees, mostly cloudy and cold. And then we will pull up that 7-day forecast. 40 on Saturday, 39 on Sunday. This is a Saturday event for snowfall.
Okay. All right. Okay. We're warned. Thank you.
Thank you, Lonnie.